going to present an activity based on acid, bases and indicators. There are various types of indicators like natural and synthetic. Today for this activity we are going to use a natural indicator which is blue and red litmus solution. So let's start. First, we are taking two test tubes. In test tube number 1, we are putting some ammonium hydroxide. And in test tube number 2, we are putting some acetic acid. Now, we are taking some red litmus solution.
आराम से कीजिएगा.
And we are putting a few drops of it in test tube number 1, which contains ammonium hydroxide. We observe that the color is changing. This is slowly turning into a blue-violet color. You may not see the changes from here, but closely the color is changing into violet blue. This shows that ammonium hydroxide is basic in nature. Now taking test tube number 2, which contains acetic acid. Also putting some drops of red litmus solution in it. We observe that there is no change in the color. This is just the color of red litmus solution. This shows that the given solution is acidic in nature. Now again, taking two test tubes, test tube A and test tube B. Putting some acetic acid in test tube A. We are putting some blue litmus solution in test tube A, which contains acetic acid. We observe that the color changes into a reddish magenta color. This shows that the solution is acidic in nature. Now in test tube B, we are taking some ammonium hydroxide. Also putting some drops of blue litmus solution in it. Now we are taking new test tubes, putting some vinegar in test tube number 1. This test tube contains vinegar in it, apple cider vinegar. We are putting some blue liquid solution in test tube number 1, which contains vinegar. The color is slowly turning into a red magenta.
This shows that the given solution is acidic in nature.